What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video track session test day. Y'all already know. Did the converter this week, couldn't get a handle on it, so we back at square one on these. At least we back at square one with the testing, man, cause I got to, hey, this joke here, this joke here something else, man. But y'all saw the video, man. Y'all saw the video the day before in the road, man. This joke here, got to get a handle on it. I got to get a handle on it. So, we hitting the track, man, with a stickier surface, some VAT. I ain't gonna talk too much, man, cause I'm scrambling. I got to get this thing loaded up. I'm gonna spread for the first time. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm not expecting to see nothing, cause I'm gonna throw a ramp in there that I think gonna work. And just swing for the fence and see what happens. But I got to get a handle on the own motor alone right now, so I don't know. But y'all just stay tuned. I'm finna pour the gas in cause I need some gas in it. I'm gonna turn y'all back on. Alright, I got everything done. So let me tell you something. I had hooked the trailer up, had it pulled right there, straps out, was about to load it. And when I say the wind started picking up, blowing so hard, and a cloud popped up, I said, man, it's finna rain. Look down there in the, look up the weather for where the track located. I said, man, pop-up shower, 6%. So now, it's saying it's straight, then blew over. So, I done put the trailer up. I'm like, I'm not hooking that trailer back up. I ain't doing it. I ain't hooking the trailer back up. So, man, white about to go dead. So, what I'm about to do is drive the car all the way down there. I'm going to drive it down there. I'm going to get down there early, give it at least 30 minutes to cool down. And I'm going to make 3 hits. Cause I just go for data, man. And you ain't got to make all them hits when you test it, man. You go down there, try out what you need to try out. Well, at least me, I can try out what I need to try out. Then I can apply it to, Mexico. If Mexico improve, then I already know I'm dealing with that track. That's how it works. It don't take me that much. But I'm gonna see what I need to see. So I got I'm gonna make 2 motor hits, and I'm gonna make a nitro hit. The nitro hit is priority. 1, because I never even sprayed it on the rims. 2, I got to see and make sure the nitro don't blow through the converter, which it shouldn't. It shouldn't at all, but I got to make sure. So that's why I'm gonna cool it. I'm gonna let it cool down. Then the first hit gonna be on the nitrous, straight on the nitrous, and I'm gonna see what it do. And after that, man, I'm gonna come back around, hit it on the motor. Cause we good, man. We can hot lap it, real street car. So we gonna drive it all the way down there, man. Wifey gonna follow me just to bring my nitro bottle car. I'm not riding with that nitro bottle in the car with me. I ain't doing it. If I had my AC already hooked up, I would, but I ain't riding with the nitro bottle in the car with me. Definitely don't ride with it in the trunk. So she gonna put it in the truck. She gonna bring the nitro bottle, and I need somebody to record too. I ain't got nobody coming with me. My little brother gonna come, but I had called and told him I ain't going because I thought it was gonna rain. And now I want to call and call. I'm only gonna make 3 hits, and he'll be coming away from where he stay. I'm like, man, I ain't gonna make but 3 hits, man. I be done made the hit by the time he get there. So we finna go literally to handle business and to shoot this vlog, and I'm coming back home. That's it. I'm coming back home because I gotta try some stuff out. And I finish up tomorrow. After today, I know what I need to know, and then I can apply it, try it out tomorrow, and then yeah, I'll be ready to go. But anyway, we finna get ready to hit the road. I'm gonna see y'all at Trout City. Made it. Finna gas up. I'm just gonna put just a little bit of 93 in here, man. I ain't gonna put much, cause I need a good blend with the racing gas, cause I'm finna spray it as soon as I get there. Well, I'm gonna let it cool down, then I'm gonna spray it. But I'm just checking in with y'all. Y'all see I made it, man. So y'all stay tuned. All right, man. We checking in. Made it to the promised land. I made it to the promised land, man. Y'all see my model right there beside the car? I made it to the promise. It's my personal model. Yeah, man. A good drive. I just leaving the fan. I'm leaving the fans on. It's sitting at 180, but I'm just leaving the fans on so I can cool it down even faster. Cause them the Riley work. They'll knock that joker down to 120, and then by the time Drill get finished doing his thing out there, I'll be ready, man. And y'all see right now, nobody here. See, that's how I get down, man. I get here early, do what I got to do, and then if people want to see it, they have to look at it on the video, like y'all looking at it. But we finna make a nitro hit. That we need to really know for real, man. I came down here, handle the business. That's what I need to know. Now, if the weather holds out, then hey, I was here Saturday, but y'all probably seeing that after Saturday. But if the weather hold out, we'll be here Saturday too, racing and catching the footage. But TNT, I'm just down here catching the vlog for y'all today, and testing Big Dolo out after straight out the road, man. Straight out the road. So I'm finna let that joker cool down, then we'll grab the nitro bottle out, and shoot, we're gonna hit that joker with that Crinat and see what it do. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, we're checking in. So I got bottle in, everything cool. I'm about to see what to it. So y'all stay tuned, man. Let's see what happens. Alright, y'all, checking in. So I just made that first pass. That joker didn't do a thing, man. It didn't do a thing, man. My bottle pressure was too high. That's why my nitro wouldn't take, man. It wouldn't go through the solenoid. I was like, man, I'm gonna have to purge all my nitrous out. I ain't have but 3/4 of the bottle. So it really didn't take no nitrous. That's why it was just busting up. The solenoid when they open up, man, cause the bottle pressure too high. But when I say this joker didn't do nothing, man, y'all seen it spinning every time I went to the gas, man. So I left on motor, cause I said a real very super mild ramp, man. But like I said, the bottle pressure too high, and it don't take long to get up there. That's why it's purging it down, but it's still too much. But I'm finna try it 2 times on motor, and then after that, man, I'm done. I got what I need to get. I'm gonna have to tinker with these shots on, cause it different, man. It's different. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, checking in, man. So that was my second pad. I ain't even making no third pad, man, cause what I was gonna that right there, I tamed the car down and it still, man. I tamed the car down and it still won't go. I'm telling you, man. And that's what I said. Now, don't get me wrong. It putting down more power. It definitely putting it down. But with more power come more tuning. And I mean, y'all can see it, man. It ain't hazing the tire, man. It's blistering like 15. It ain't even hazing. It's killing them. I'm talking about killing them. I changed the shocks before I came. I ain't put that on camera. I tried some different settings, and it blistered them, man. I mean, oh, now don't get me wrong. If I put that joke on the tire and go down through there, boy, it gonna tote the mail. But it ain't about having all the power and you can't use it. Cause man, that's on motor. That second pad was a motor pad. The first pad was too, pretty much. Cause like I said, the solenoid, the bottom pressure too high, it wouldn't take. But man, we finna head to the house, man. It ain't nothing to see. We're gonna have to resume testing. And I'm not putting my converter back in, man. I'm not that fast. I'm not finna put my converter back in, man. It's just. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, look. I was just about to leave, but I got the cats on for y'all, man. Look, old Haven down here, man. Look at Haven. They got them racing wheels on it. We finna see what it hit like. Hey, both of the people that got my car down here. What's going on there? You all right? Hey, y'all, look at Haven, man. We got to go catch it. We got to catch it. Yeah, y'all, let's check it out. Look, he done pulled the top off too, y'all. I told you put them racing wheels on. Let's see what old Haven. Old Haven, man. Look at that's it, y'all. That's the one I just sold, man. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all. Checking in, man. It's the next day. I got y'all great. Next day, man. Got home. Typical routine, me and wife putting everything up. I forgot to close the video out. But y'all see how the track day went. Woo! Did the same thing it did in the other video, man. We was in Mexico. I mean, you probably can't see it good on video, but I feel it in the car, man. Ice. Soon as you leave off the, man, soon as you come off the foot brake, it just instantly, man, spinning, just. Every time I hit the gas, man, it crazy. The torque that engine putting down low, man. All the way, that torque curve, the torque curve crazy. Cause man, every time you hit the gas, man, it's on them. So then I tried to tone it down, the second pad on the motor. Still, man, I said, shoot, man. I told wife, I was like, it ain't no need in making no more passing. Ain't no need, man. If it ain't gonna go down there, it ain't going down. I got some more tweaking to do. And the first pass, it did not spray nitrous. Let me tell y'all, cause people be thinking they know everything. The nitrous did not spray. Y'all know when the nitrous spray, you can hear it in my car. It did not spray. If you heard on the line, you seen the GoPro. I ain't had a GoPro in there, I'm sorry. But if you heard on the line, I was getting the RPMs up trying to bump it, it would not bump. Bottle pressure was too high, man. I'm talking, I had just brought the bottle pressure down, closed the trunk for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, cause I was sitting in the water box, waiting on them. I closed the trunk for 2 minutes, and that bottle pressure got up just like that, man. That's why I was purging a lot. When you purge, cause some people see video, they be like, why they spraying? They gonna spray all that nitrogen. That's to bring your bottle pressure down, man. Purging not just for a show or to clear air out your line. It serves for two purposes. It clears air out your line, and it has to bring your bottle pressure down. If your bottle pressure too high, your solenoid, your nitrous solenoid will not open. I'm telling you, your fuel will. Your nitrous solenoid won't open, man. So when y'all heard that busting up, it was because it was extra fuel in the cylinder, in the engine and stuff. Because the nitrous fuel solenoid was flowing, cause I was on it. But the solenoid, the nitrous solenoid itself wasn't opening up. It didn't open up now time on the track. So I again, I haven't felt the nitrous on the wheels and see how it act. But the nitrous did not spray the first pad, man. The solenoid did not open. That's why I went opening the purge. That's why I just stopped trying to bump it. I said I'm just gonna go on down the track and try to spray it, and maybe it'll open up. Shit, man, that junk didn't do nothing. Didn't do nothing but dump that fuel and then make it bust up. But it is what it is. It's part of the game, man. But we had a good drive back home. We drove it there and ran it and came back home. And see, hey, man, it wasn't nothing to it. It was just smooth ride. So it good when you got a real car. And I don't stay close, man. Like I'm 45, 50 minutes away from the track. So I mean, people, I be telling people everything I put together real street. No matter how fast it run or how it look, it real street. And that was a good drive. Like I said, y'all saw in the previous video, I done drove it from farther than that on the radius. When the Denali messed up that time, I drove from way farther than that last time on them radials, on them 15. So it's a good car, man. It's a good combo I spec, man. It's just like I said, it's just well thought out, man. When I put combos together, they super well thought out, and it worked. It worked. It make a shitload of power, and it worked, man. I'm telling you, that joker worked. So all in all, man, we got to get it together, man. Then the busting up, like I said in the other video, I'm gonna diagnose that. I'm probably gonna get out of here sometime today, cause like I said, this the next day, y'all. Early. I'm probably gonna get out here sometime today and start getting on that and show y'all that. So that's it. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.